Alright, I did some updates on the old Integra here, and one thing we did is I replaced the throttle body with a newer one, still used but a newer one, because the throttle position sensor on the back here was kind of acting up. Brand new distributor, new wires, new plugs. We're going to basically pull this off pretty soon, and I'm going to reseal all this with the new one, so this is the old one. And then I got to just do basic cleaning up. The next big thing will be the cooling system, replacing some of this stuff. But other than that, it's looking good with the coilovers. And that's that. On the old silver two-door, I got a little dress-up kit, so got these little guys here. Looks pretty good. Just kind of put them around. And then I got this heat shield, mainly to kind of keep water off of it, but it comes all the way around to here, so keep water off, and it looks cool. So yeah, so that's looking good. Other than that, it's kind of what's been going on. This guy I got to get ready. I have a clutch coming for that, and then that guy will be done, and that's about it. There's other stuff coming on, so we'll eventually get there. Alright, you guys take it easy. Peace.